everybody, Melissa here. Today I want to show you, I've been making some patriotic earrings to go with the rings that I made last week. If you want to check that video out on how to make patriotic rings, the link is up above. But today I want to make a pair of earrings just like this. I'll show you how I make them a mirror image of each other. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, I'm going to put these aside for a moment. I'm using some enameled copper wire. These are just some fun earrings, so I'm just going to use some copper. I'm not going to use sterling today. And I'm going to cut about 5 inches, should do the trick on this. And just pull it out with your fingers or a cloth. You can use the other one as a measuring guide. Okay, so I have 2 pieces of 20 gauge copper wire. This is titanium. You can use any color you want. I have 6mm Crackle quartz beads, 2 4mm Sapphire beads, and 2 4mm Siam beads, or light Siam I should say. These happen to be from Fire Mountain Gems. They're Swarovski. So I'll get them from Fire Mountain Gems, or Art Beads carries them as well, artbeads.com. Whatever is cheaper, whatever it all depends on what I'm buying is where I get it from, and I compare prices. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna put a little loop on the end of the wire here. This will stop the beads from falling off the end, so it's basically a head pin. Just a 5-inch head pin. Just like that. Stick your beads on, red, white, and blue. I'm going to put blue on the bottom. Oops. And the 6mm bead, and then the red one on top. Of course, you can make these any color you want. Since the 4th of July is coming up, I'm making them red, white, and blue. Alright, so I don't want that face, when it faces outward, I don't want that little loop showing. So I'm going to turn it sideways like that. I'm going to make a loop on the top. So on this first one, I'm going to bring it in front. I'm going to bring this loop in front. I'm going to loop it around a couple times before I start making my spiral down. Okay, just like that. All right, and so now you're going to start sculpting your wire around and put a nice bend in it. You can make this spiral as tight or as wide as you want to. So I think for this pair, I want to go pretty wide. So I'm going to make the middle part the widest part. And then I'll start tightening it up towards the bottom. Of course, the more you pull, the tighter the top of it's going to get. So you just kind of have to like sculpt it and tease it and readjust. course, this is getting all misshapen, but you always go back and straighten them all out again. So down here is where I'm going to finish it off by wrapping the end of the wire around this little loop. Easier said than done. Okay, I come across the top here and kind of smoosh it and pull it. I'm going to cut it short. It's all smashed now, but I'm going to try to tease it out again. This copper from Parawire is supposed to be dead soft, but it's a little harder than I'm used to with sterling. So I just kind of work with my spirals and try to get them and try not to smoosh it in the first place. All right, let's work on the second one. Loop. Okay, turn that sideways. Turn it sideways, make your loop. But this time, bring it behind. See that? I brought it behind and not in front. We're gonna wrap it around a couple times, like that, and start curving it around, making your spiral. Let's take some practice here, getting your spirals to cooperate. Bring this guy down. Start wrapping your end around the loop here. Give it a little squeeze to tighten it up against that bottom loop. See how they look compared to each other. I'm going to work with this one. Just the angles of the spirals aren't right. Okay, there we go. There's a pair of earrings that are pretty matchy-matchy. These will make cute little $10 earrings. So you just need to put the ear hooks on and you'll be all set. Aren't they cute?
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe because I post a new video each week. See you next time.